The severe thunderstorm outbreak across Australia will continue on Friday with a real focus on the southeastern states, New South Wales, Victoria and parts of Tasmania, with thunderstorms bringing heavy rain, damaging wind and large hail to many areas. This is the radar from this morning. Widespread falls from southern South Australia across to eastern New South Wales, with an area of quite heavy rain having developed in the last few hours around central Victoria, including parts of Melbourne. The rain is all being driven by a low pressure area and a cold front which are currently crossing southern regions and will continue to do so this afternoon. And during Friday afternoon, as this low and this cold front here move towards the east coast, the weather will really come to be dominated by thunderstorm activity. So we're going to show the thunderstorm outlook map. We've been showing these throughout the week, but just a reminder, the green shades show where standard non-severe thunderstorms are possible today. The yellow and the red show where severe thunderstorms are possible, or the red where severe thunderstorms are likely to occur on Friday afternoon. It's a very busy map, so we'll break it down region by region, starting with these northern states. If we see severe thunderstorms in the Northern Territory or Queensland today, it's highly likely because they will be causing damaging wind gusts over 90 kilometres an hour, whereas heavy rain and large hail look very unlikely up here. However, if we look at New South Wales, any severe storms that develop here could bring damaging to destructive winds, heavy rainfall and large hail. And in particular, take a look at this red area. As a reminder, that's where severe thunderstorms are likely to occur. We could see winds over 125 kilometres an hour there. We could see heavy rain, which leads to flash flooding, and we could see large or even giant hail, up to 5 centimetres or more across. And we've seen some giant hail in the past couple of days for parts of Australia. We may see that replicated again this afternoon. Down in Victoria, severe storms could bring any of the three, the wind, the rain and the hail, whereas in Tasmania the risk is just for the northern half of the state, including Launceston, and most likely threat there is heavy rainfall. Currently, as things stand at the time of filming, which is shortly before midday Australian Eastern Daylight Time, we've got one severe thunderstorm warning in place around central and western Victoria, and there are some large thunderstorm cells in this area at the moment. But I do have to remind you, severe thunderstorm warnings are only issued when we see those thunderstorms developing. That means they've got a short time span, they've got a short life cycle, and it's very likely we will see further warnings issued, added to and updated throughout the course of the day, so do stay on top of the warnings. The thunderstorms which are already occurring, as well as the thunderstorms still to come, could bring a variety of storm impacts, including, but not limited to, flash flooding, which could impact roads, properties and houses, power outages, and those strong winds and that large hail can damage cars, can damage property, and can damage crops as well. Just wanted to finish with a quick look at Saturday, basically to tell the story that tomorrow everything's moving out to the east in the Tasman and we have much more settled, calmer weather returning, and the risk of thunderstorms completely subsides on Saturday. But before then, with a focus on Friday, stay on top of the forecasts and warnings at the Bureau website and app. Stay safe and thanks for watching.